In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a blog popular post widget in Wix, a tool designed to keep visitors on your website longer and give more exposure to your content. This intuitive feature displays the most frequently visited blog posts on your Wix website, encouraging readers to explore other relevant content. Our journey begins in the heart of your website, the Wix editor. Once you're there, navigate towards the specific page where you want to install this engaging widget. It could be on your homepage, blog index, or a specific blog post. Your positioning plays a crucial role in maximizing the visibility of your most popular blog posts. With your target page now in view, look on the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find the Add Elements button, waiting patiently for your click. Once clicked, the menu blooms to a plethora of options. Amidst those gazillion options, there's one we are specifically interested in. Scroll a bit until you find and select the blog option. Having selected the blog option, your next responsibility is to choose the layout design for your post list. Wix offers you a range of intriguing layouts, so aim for one that seamlessly aligns with your overall aesthetic. For example, you might gravitate towards the post list large for a more pronounced appearance, or ideally, the post list sidebar for a more minimalist appeal. Remember, the choice is totally up to you. Once you've decided, pull your chosen layout like a magnet and drop it onto your desired location on your page. Now, with the foundational layout settled, you journey one step further into personalizing this widget to your taste. You'll notice there's a settings option tagged on the blog element. Pursuing this option reveals a treasure trove of customization choices. The most noticeable of these would be the Display drop-down menu. In this section, you have the liberty to determine the number of posts you wish to showcase and select the category of posts you prefer to feature. Hence, you can peg the number of posts displayed at 5 or spotlight travel posts, for instance. Here, the power is in your hands. However, it's worth noting that if you are yet to create any blog posts, your display settings would be redundant without content. In such a scenario, you would need to click on Manage Posts. This takes you straight to creating and managing posts. Aim to draft engaging, insightful, and unique content that resonates with your audience. If you've done this successfully, then congratulations, you've successfully added a blog popular post widget to your Wix website. Now sit back, relax, and watch as this tool does the heavy lifting of highlighting your most popular content to your readers. Happy blogging!